Sam Bond is the gay husband of the devil, Laurie Sam Bond. And he's been called into his supervisor's office, and his supervisor tells him, do you know I hear about the traitor Bond brothers every day? You and your brother with Los Angeles Water and Power, Cheryl, with his Iranian wife. I hear about you every day. The same folks who told me to hire you and give you reviews and promotions you didn't deserve. They're asking about you. What's your part in America's Hijacked Lifelines? What else are you involved in that I'm going to hear about? Yeah, I had my computer breaking, one computer breaking, the other computer not working properly, taunting. Remind me of the devil Laurie's, their hatred anniversaries. Cheryl Bond is one of the two traitor brothers from Louisiana, I believe, with Samuel Lynn Bond, the gay husband of Laurie Ann Bond. My GIMP program was that I used to design imagery, like this one right here, was just broken by High Tech Toys. Anyway, Cheryl works for the Department of Water and Power, LA Department of Water and Power. At least that's what I heard last time I heard of Cheryl. And he's been called into the supervisor's office, and the supervisor says, I want to know why I'm getting so many folks asking about you. I gave you promotions you didn't deserve, reviews you didn't deserve. What else besides America's Hijacked Lifelines are you involved in, Cheryl? Merry Christmas, 2018. From the handsome bald guy who looked good in front of clouds. I have to wait for the devil Laurie's hatred, that's it. It's oftentimes with the parables that the devil Laurie is not happy unless it's no fun in doing something intentional, unless they know it's intentional, so it will often have that in the middle of the video. Let me try again. Saturday morning, not much traffic over there. That's Laurie Ann Bond's hatred right there. Being intentional as anything. Being obvious as anything. That didn't need to back up, did it? It's backing up intentionally. With that audible, very audible, decibel law-breaking fleet of theirs. Wherever they're conducting harassment techniques in your part of the world, make sure you get spectrum on decibel meters, one being louder than they should be, and two, taking part in religious, political, and business censorship as they do that. Check in post and 5 with all of spectrum.